Hi, and welcome to IFC Market's instructional video on how to install technical analysis indicators into your NetTradeX platform in order to help you, our valued customer, have a clear indication of potential market moves. IFC Markets realizes how important technical analysis is, and with this in mind, we decided to offer our traders all the current up-to-date indicators needed to better improve their chances of making successful trades. Please keep in mind that before implementing any of the following indicators, take the time to research and understand what indicator you are going to use. Not all indicators work for everybody, as each trader is different in terms of trading style and risk aversion. Now then, before I show you how to install the indicators into your chart, you can access all the information you need about any indicator by going to Education, Technical Analysis, and selecting technical indicators. And from here, you can choose any of your desired indicators from the drop-down menu. Let's begin, shall we? Okay, let's begin by bringing up our indicator list by pressing Ctrl-I, and from here, we select the average true range, or ATR. Hit set, okay, and as you can see, the ATR appears. The ATR indicator was introduced by Wes Wilder as a tool to measure the market volatility and volatility alone, leaving aside attempts to indicate the direction. A low ATR value would normally correspond to a range of trading, while high values may indicate a trend breakout or breakdown. Next on our list are the Bollinger Bands. Select them, set, okay, and here we go. The Bollinger Bands indicator, named after its inventor, displays the current market volatility changes, confirms the direction, warns of a possible continuation or breakout of the trend, periods of consolidation, increasing volatility for breakouts, as well as pinpoints local highs and lows. Very useful indicator, very commonly used. Next, we have the Commodity Channel Index, or more commonly referred to as the CCI. Select it, click Set, OK, and there we go. The Commodity Channel Index is an indicator by Donald Lambert. Despite the original purpose to identify new trends, it is nowadays widely used as a measure for the current price levels in relation to the average. Following the CCI, we have the Desmark indicator. Select it, click Set, OK, and there it appears. This indicator was introduced by Tom Desmark as a tool to identify emerging buying and selling opportunities. It demonstrates the price depletion phases, which usually correspond with the price highs and bottoms. The Desmark indicator proved to be efficient at identifying trend breakdowns as well as spotting intraday entry and exit points. Next on our list, we have envelopes. Select it, click Set, OK, and there we go. The envelopes indicator reflects the price overbought and oversold conditions, helping to identify the entry or exit points as well as possible trend breakdowns. Next on our list, we have the Force Index, or FRC. Select it, click Set, OK, and here it appears at the bottom of our screen. The Force Index indicator, invented by Alexander Elder, measures the power behind every price move based on three essential elements: direction, extent, and volume. The oscillator fluctuates around 0, a point of a relative balance between power shifts. Next on our list is a very popular indicator called the Ichimoku. Select it, click Set, OK, and as you can see, it brings a lot on our screen. The Ichimoku Kinko Hyo is a comprehensive technical analysis tool introduced in 1968 by Tokyo columnist Goichi Hosoda. The concept of the system was to provide an immediate vision of trend sentiment, momentum, and strength at a glance, perceiving all the Ichimoku's 5 components and the price in terms of interactions among them of a cyclical type related to that of human group dynamics. For more information about the Ichimoku cloud, go to IFC Markets, Education, Technical Analysis, Technical Indicators, and find it in the Oscillators list. Another popular indicator used by many traders and technical analysts is called the MACD. Select it from the list, click Set, and OK. And here it appears at the bottom of the screen. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence Oscillator, commonly referred to as the MACD, is an indicator developed by Gerald Eppel, which is designed to reveal changes in the direction and strength of the trend by combining signals from 3 time series of moving average curves. Next on our list is the momentum indicator. Click it, set, and there we go. The momentum oscillator is an indicator that shows trend direction and measures how quickly the price is changing by comparing current and past prices. Next we have the parabolic indicator. Select it from the list, click Set, and there we go. This is another indicator developed by Wes Wilder, and this indicator is below prices when prices are rising and above prices when prices are falling. In this regard, the indicator stops and reverses when the price trend reverses and breaks above or below the indicator. Another commonly used indicator is the RSI. Select it, click Set, OK, and here it is at the bottom of our screen. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is an indicator also developed by Wes Wilder, and it's used to assess the strength or the weakness of the current price movements and to measure the velocity of price changes by comparing price increases with its losses over a certain period of time. Next we have the Relative Vigor Index, or RVI. Click Set, and here we go, it's at the bottom of our chart. The Relative Vigor Index was developed by John Ehlers, and it's a technical indicator designed to determine price trend direction. The underlying logic is based on the assumption that close prices tend to be higher than open prices in a bullish environment and lower in a bearish environment. Last on our list is the Williams percent range. Select it, OK, and there we go. The Williams percent range is a technical indicator developed by Larry Williams to identify whether an asset is overbought or oversold, and therefore to determine possible turning points. Unlike the stochastic oscillator we mentioned previously, the Williams percent range is a single line fluctuating on a reversal scale.